Hi guys, TechUno here with another steam engines at SASMEE video. Today we have a single cylinder steam engine that was brought to us a little while ago running on the main steam. Very smooth engine, runs on very low PSI and it's very smooth. It also has a slip excentric, which is interesting. If you grab the flywheel and spin it backwards, it'll start running backwards, although we don't have quite enough pressure and it only likes running one way. This is a very smooth runner. Thanks for watching this video by TechUno. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you liked it, or tell me what you'd like to see me do better next time. Make sure to check out the other videos in the series. I think this is number 9 or 8. Number 8, 9. Thanks for watching.